Welcome to Blessed Hands by Lillian. This is Lillian. I'm going to take you on a tour of my home where I've decorated for Christmas, and my theme, of course, is the Grinch. So here is one area. We'll slowly go by there. This is in my family room, and then I'll move back a little bit so that you can see everything here, the wreath, and all of the decorations here. And then on my wall, I put a hanging, one of the hangings, and it says maybe Christmas he thought doesn't come from a store. Maybe Christmas perhaps means a little bit more. And then I decorated some more on this wall and put a few Grinch logos there. And then I decorated my dining room table, and my chairs all have the Grinch on them. And I put a tablecloth and table runner and placemats that are all Grinch related. And then on the back of these chairs, I have my Grinch stuff hanging. And now I'm in my foyer, and I have the Welcome to Whoville sign on the back of the door. And then I decorated the mirrors all with the Grinch theme. So I got Max on one, the Grinch and Merry Grinchmas in the middle, Cindy Lou on the other one. And okay, and here in my bathroom, only thing I don't have is the red and green towels in this one. I realized I forgot to put them up. But I have my mirrors decorated with the Grinch and Max, and then several gifts and candy canes over here. I did a few of my chairs with the Grinch on them. I embroidered all of those. And then in my kitchen, I have several Grinch items. And then up here on the microwave, I have a Grinch little refrigerator holder. And then I have another refrigerator holder with the Grinch. And then over here on the actual refrigerator is both the Grinch holders. And then this is my going into my, I guess they call it a Florida room if you lived in Florida, but it's my outside room that's heated and everything. And that's where my Grinch tree is. But on the outside here, on my window clings, I have all of the Welcome to Whoville and the Mount Crumpet, Whoville, Grinch's Lair, all of those, Merry Grinchmas, the Christmas trees, the Grinch sign that says Merry Grinchmas when you first come in. Then as you get outside, I have the, it's an actual table runner that's green. I have that on the top of my chair. And then I have the Grinch Squad and Ho Ho Ho. And then on the back of those pillows, I have How the Grinch Stole Christmas, and another one with Max, the Grinch, and Cindy Lou. And then I have a no-sew blanket, fleece blanket that says Merry Grinchmas right here on this side. And then I have a couple of plushies, that the ones that stand, and all of them do something. I didn't get anything if it didn't move. So there's Grinch and Santa outfit, and then there's another Grinch, and then there's Grinch with stockings, and then there's Max, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Grinches, and then there's a Squishmallow Grinch right there. And then here's my little tree, and all of the ornaments on here are all Grinch, Cindy Lou, and Max. And then here's my Grinch figure. And beside him, I got one of the little elves. And then I have another little floor sign. And I'll move back so you can get a better view of the tree. And on the top is a Grinch. And then the hand hanging down that says Grinch. I have little feet that once I turn them on, they move up and down or side to side, whichever direction that I have them. And then, as you see here, I got other little designs on the windows. And then I have another sign that is Max. And then over here in this chair is Cindy Lou, and I have a female elf. And then here's Grinch at the door. And then there's Cindy Lou at the other side of the door. And then there's more Grinches up here. I got a Grinch tag. And then here's the table that have all the different Grinch items and Max. And there's no Cindy Lou. I didn't find a small Cindy Lou. Like I got the Grinch right here, a small one, and I found Max, but I didn't find a Cindy Lou. And then here I have my little sleigh that I made and put little gifts on it. And then I put a little Grinch here and then a Cindy Lou. And then I put the bag and the tree. And Max was on here somewhere, so I think Max might have fell off. And then there's the Grinch right here, and that moves around. And then there's this different signs. And that's everything. And here's it's turned around the other way now. But here's my door sign that when you come in, it says Merry Grinchmas. So this is everything of my Christmas decorations of the Grinch's lair. And then I'm calling my inside of the house the Grinch's cave. So thank you for going with me as I showed this video of my Christmas decorations of my everything Grinch. Like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel if you're not a subscriber, and I will see you in the next couple of videos. I realized that I have 8 Grinch outfits, as well as I have a actual Grinch mask and outfit, actual Grinch mask and outfit that I'm going to put on, so that makes it 9 outfits. So I guess in the next couple of days, every day, I'm going to, when I come home in the evening, I'm going to put on one of those outfits and take pictures every day. So I will see you in those videos. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day. Bye.